Hey there, and welcome to FutureHome Tech. When looking for a range hood, it's tough to decide which one is best for your needs. We'll talk about the 5 best range hoods that will remove heat, smoke, and odors, keeping your kitchen fresh and comfortable. To help you decide, we've got some great options: wall-mounted, under cabinet, and more, all tailored to fit your needs. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. So if you are ready, let's get started. Number 5, Cosmo 30-inch Duct Wall Mount Range Hood. This range hood is overall the best range hood. There are a few key reasons that make it stand out. It has a 380 cubic feet per minute (CFM) airflow capacity, so it can easily handle multiple pots, pans, and burners at once. The touch controls with an integrated backlit digital display make it super easy to adjust the fans and lights. Just tap and you're all set. Plus, with 3 fan speeds, high, medium, and low, you can adjust the suction to suit whatever you're cooking. The energy-efficient LED lights offer bright white light over your cooktop, helping you see better while cooking. We know cooking can get messy, and that's where the stainless steel arc flow filters come in. They capture all the grease and cooking odors. If you ever want to convert it to a ductless operation, you can do so with the optional carbon filter kit. With its premium materials and 2-year limited warranty, the Cosmo 30-inch range hood is built to last and deliver high performance for years. Number 4, Hauslane Chef Series PS18 Under Cabinet Range Hood. If you have limited space in above cabinets, we highly recommend the Hauslane PS18 range hood. This range hood has an impressive 500 CFM airflow, making it perfect for all types of cooking. You get 3 venting options: vertical 6-inch round, vertical 3¼ x 10-inch rectangular, and horizontal 3¼ x 10-inch rectangular. It features energy-saving LED lights with a warm 3000K glow. The LED lights can be easily changed to suit your preferences. The 6-speed setting lets you control both suction power and noise level, with dual motors that pack a punch. The Hauslane PS18 comes in stainless steel, black, or white, so it easily fits into any kitchen color scheme. It has a digital touchscreen, but does not have a screen lock. It features a digital clock and an automatic delayed fan option, so you don't have to worry about turning it off. Number 3, Fotile Draft Range Hood. With a max airflow capacity of 850 CFM, this range hood can handle even the heaviest cooking. This range hood has lock screen feature, preventing it from accidentally turning on while you're cleaning it. This range hood features a large grease tray that holds more grease, reducing cleaning frequency. Plus, the folding oil filter is detachable and dishwasher safe for easy, hassle-free maintenance. Powerful lights light up the whole cooking area and help you see the color of the food you are cooking. The 90-degree automatic open fume capture shield prevents smoke from spreading, protecting you from harmful fumes and keeping your kitchen air clean. This range hood is designed to be easily adjustable under the cabinet as well. Number 2, Cosmo 30-inch Island Range Hood. It's designed specifically for island kitchens. The Cosmo 30-inch Island Range Hood is designed to work well with multiple decor themes, but it's not just about blending in, it's designed to attract attention. With a 380 CFM suction capacity, this range hood is powerful enough to handle multiple pots, pans, and burners at the same time. The easy-to-use digital touch controls come with a timer and clock, giving you complete control at your fingertips. You also get 3 fan speeds, high, medium, and low, so you can adjust the power depending on what you're cooking. The 4 LED lights mounted under the hood provide bright white light that fully illuminates your cooktop, helping you see every detail as you cook. The Cosmo comes with ArcFlow permanent filters made from high-quality stainless steel. They're dishwasher safe and built to last, no need to replace them, just pop them in the dishwasher and you're good to go. Number 1. Zline Wall Mount Range Hood. Hauslane KBCC Designer Series Wall Mount Range Hood is the perfect choice. With a modern design and built-to-last quality. It is finished with 7-layer baked copper, made of solid pine with a stainless steel inner frame. It doesn't include a digital touchscreen. The push buttons blend seamlessly into the aesthetic of the hood, giving you a clean and sophisticated look without compromising on functionality. Featuring a high-performance 400 CFM motor with 4 speeds, 120, 240, 320, and 400 CFM, you have all the power you need to ventilate your stove quietly and efficiently while cooking, ensuring a clean kitchen air environment. Built-in LED lighting and dishwasher-safe stainless steel baffle filters make it not only stylish but easy to maintain. This range hood is convertible to duct or ductless operation, giving you the freedom to set it up the way that works best for your kitchen. Even though the price is higher than some others, this one wraps up style, functionality, and longevity into one appealing package. I hope you enjoyed the video. I've done my best to provide accurate information about the products available in the market so you can choose the right one for your needs. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.